My name is Tro Opong Ebenezer Sambo. I'm taking the bachelor degree and I'm doing the Node.js REST API. My assignment is the project 1 contact part, where I'm going to insert data into the DB and through my application get the contact. I will make a brief presentation of my application and how the MongoDB is structured. This is where I host the DB. This is my database and my collection is contact. And I use MongoDB Compass to manage the DB too. I can connect to it. Let's wait a little bit. Yeah, it's done. The connection is done. I can retrieve the data from refresh data. Okay, that's good, that's nice. And this is the application on local. Yes, I have a DB in the config folder where I connect the DB to the database online. The application I connect to the database online from config db.js. I have the controller too that manage the logic. I have the model contact.js. I have the route where I specify all the routes that is here, and I also have the server, and I also add Swagger inside so that it can be very easy for me to test everything. If I give the API to someone, the person can easily test it, okay, with all the documentation. Right now we are going to test our code in local and online too. Right now I will stop the local running and I will launch it again. H launch. Right now we are waiting for the, okay, it's running. Let's go here, refresh the API. Okay, by default I put the online URL inside, but I have to change it to the local. If I do get all contact, it will work. Try it and it gets all the contact. If you come here in the MongoDB Compass, you can see the same data too. We have Joel Samuel, Smith Boss, Sammy Boss, Arobas, example.com. If we come here, it's the same. James Samuel Smith, Sammy Boss is the same. And if we come here to the Atlas, is the same. It's the same. I want to refresh everything. It's loading. Let's retrieve the data. Okay, like what I was saying, James Samuel Smith, Sammy Boss @gmail.com. That's it. That's the small presentation of our application. And let me show you the GitHub app. That's the push I made from GitHub. That's it. We don't have the env inside too. And when we go to the render, we can see our app deployed here on render. Very simple. Simply, let's come to the setting. When you see the GitHub, it's Ebenezer Open, and the name of our project. When you come to GitHub here, it's the same name, it's the same thing. Just when I push it here, it comes to GitHub and it automatically deploy on the render here. And let me test it online. Let's get the full contact. That's the contact. Get it here. When you come to our Swagger, it's the same thing on render API doc. If you want to get the contacts here, we do try, we execute a try, it will get all the contact. Very simple application, simple mode. Thank